Alright, so I'm going to take my coconut oil, my moisturizing cream, my Jamaican black castor oil, some Eco Styler gel, some hair ties, my detangling brush, and a rat tooth comb to use on my sleek bun today. So as always, I'm going to part my hair off into 2 sections. From those 2 sections, I will part my hair off into 4 and work each section at a time. From those 4 sections, I will take 1 section and part it off into 2. So in total, I will have 8 sections altogether. Make sure to smooth your ends out just to make sure there's no knots. And then I'm going to spritz my hair with water and start to detangle from the ends to the roots, as always. And then I will start to 2-strand twist my hair. 2-strand twisting my hair will ensure that it's stretched out, won't shrink, and I get to stretch my hair without any heat, so that's a plus. I'm going to spritz my hair once again all over just to make sure my hair is wet and kept in that state so that I will get a sleek bun. I didn't state this at the beginning, but I do also use my Aussie Moist conditioner as the first product in my hair. Then I go ahead and use my Jamaican black castor oil only on my scalp. I use my moisturizing cream, and then I go ahead and seal all of that with coconut oil. This is just to make sure that my hair is very moisturized while I'm wearing this style. After I apply all the products to my hair, I go ahead and section it all off, and I leave 2 twists to start off with right in the back. I take each twist down and rub the products into my hair, making sure my hair absorbs the products. And then I just put that into a low ponytail. Not a tight one. All I'm doing is making sure my hair is out of the way, so it doesn't have to be very tight, just out of the way. I go ahead and repeat this step going up my hair. I just do 2 twists at a time, so right and left, and then I rub the products into my hair and put it into a loose ponytail to keep it out of the way. I start to apply my Eco Styler gel, but I only do it on the perimeter of my hair. I don't do it all throughout my hair because 1, that makes my scalp itch, and I don't like gel all throughout my hair. That's unnecessary. I'm just looking for my perimeter to be smooth, so that's what I focus on. For the last 2 twists, I go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I want this to be a middle parted bun, so I part my hair down the middle, make sure it's straight, and then I take some gel and put it on the top of my hair and on my edges, and then I start to slick it down. In this process, you want to make sure your hair is very smooth, and if you have to, go ahead and add some more gel just to make sure you achieve the sleek bun look that we're going for. So I want my bun to be twisted, so I'm going to go ahead and twist up the ends of my hair, fluff it out, and go ahead and pin it after I find the look that I'm going for. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe, share this video if you like, and have a beautiful day.
Now I got